Hey, second graders, Miss Shannon here. Today for grammar, we are going to do some review. We are going to review sentences, how to build a proper sentence. Listen along with me as we review sentences. A sentence is a group of words that tell a complete thought. When we speak to people, we speak in complete sentences. When writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with punctuation. Here are 3 examples of types of punctuation. You could end your sentence with a period, with a question mark if you are asking a question, and an exclamation point if you are writing a sentence that has a lot of feeling or emotion behind it. A sentence must have a subject and a predicate. Let's review those 2 words, second graders. What is a subject? A subject is who or what the sentence is about. If you need more of a reminder, second graders, watch this video from earlier in the school year. It's the lesson we did on subjects back in October. So please watch this short video. It's only about 1 minute long for your refresher. A sentence also should have a predicate. What is a predicate? The predicate has a verb, meaning an action word, and tells about the subject. If you need a reminder about predicates, please watch my video from earlier in the school year. Once again, it is short, but a great refresher on predicates. So again, a predicate is the verb or action that tells about the subject. Now we are going to look at a few sentences. We are going to make changes like adding capital letters and punctuation, and together we will identify the subjects and predicates of each of these sentences. Let's look at the first one. The first one reads, "The peacock is a beautiful bird." Now, second graders, this sentence does tell a complete thought, but it does not start with a capital letter or end with a punctuation mark. So let's make that first change. The T in the should be a capital letter. I can make that change on the computer by holding the Shift button and then pressing the T to make it an uppercase T. Then I will add a punctuation mark. For this sentence, it is a statement. The peacock is a beautiful bird. It is not a question, so I will not end with a question mark. I am going to end with a period. So here's the sentence again with those 2 changes. We now have a capital letter to start and a punctuation mark to end it. Now, let's figure out the subject of this sentence. We can figure out the subject by asking, who is the sentence about? Let's read it again. The peacock is a beautiful bird. This sentence is about a peacock. So the subject of the sentence is the peacock. And there you can see I have highlighted it on your screen. Now we will ask, what is the predicate of this sentence? What is the verb or action that is telling about the subject? The peacock what? The peacock is a beautiful bird. The verb in the sentence is, and it's telling us that it is a beautiful bird. So that is our predicate, is a beautiful bird. It is telling about the subject of our sentence. Let's do one more. Sonia is good at drawing. Now, in order for this to be a proper sentence, we need to start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. What letter should be capitalized in this sentence, second graders? You guessed it, The S for Sonia. Not only is it the beginning of a sentence, but it is also someone's name. So it is a proper noun and should be capitalized. To make the lowercase s a capital S on the computer, I will hold down the Shift button and press the S at the same time to make it a capital S. At the end of the sentence, I will include a punctuation mark. And for this sentence, I will include a period because I am not asking a question, so I will not use a question mark. And here you can see our sentence rewritten. Sonia is good at drawing. It now begins with a capital and ends with a period. Let's ask ourselves, what is the subject of this sentence? Second graders, who or what is this sentence about? You got it. It's about Sonia. She is the subject of our sentence. Now, what are we saying about the subject? What is our predicate? What is the predicate of this sentence? What is this sentence telling about Sonia? That's right. She is good at drawing. That is our predicate. Is good at drawing. Sonia is good at drawing. So we have identified the subject and the predicate of our sentences and made sure to go back and include a capital letter to begin and a punctuation mark to end our sentence.